Chefs are increasingly reassessing what is thrown away in the kitchen, asking themselves if this food waste can be used differently or repurposed. Some professionals call this trash cooking, because they are taking food that would normally go in the trash or rubbish bin and incorporating it as a new ingredient. One example is fish heads, which most people don't eat. Chefs at the Braw restaurant in Copenhagen have developed recipes to make the most of this part of the fish and to use its flavour. Another restaurant, also in Copenhagen, dries its coffee grounds and adds it to oats, butter and sugar to create coffee-flavoured biscuits. Over in America, Chef Dan Barber hosted a 3-week trash cooking event in his New York restaurant, inviting other chefs to create new dishes based on food that would normally be thrown away. Food critics were full of praise.
Solution 1. Rethink what you throw away. Next time you peel potatoes, rinse the peelings and bake them in the oven with a little oil to create homemade fries. You can do the same with other vegetable peelings too. Experiment to find what you like the best.
Solution 2. Serve the right portions. Many families make too much food and throw away what isn't eaten. To avoid this, try to reduce the size of the portions that you put on the plates and leave the rest in the saucepan or dish. Any leftovers can then be frozen and microwaved later.
Solution 3. Think for a moment. Before you start cooking, check if there are leftovers to use. And if you have fresh vegetables or potatoes, use these before using frozen or tinned food. If you need inspiration, download a free app for recipe ideas on using leftovers.
Solution 4. Buy less. It seems the biggest problem is that we buy too much food in the first place. Many people would have a hard time using all the food that they have bought by the date that they should use it, and some families only notice the date when it's too late.